Hello there everyone, welcome back to the AVS channel. I am Anish Vidyashankar. So guys, first of all, thank you all for the wonderful response to the videos that I've been putting up. It motivates me a lot if you subscribe to the channel and also give the video a like. On this channel, I've always wanted to feature unique automobiles like different motorcycles and cars, and that are pretty unique to different people. So a lot of people personalize their motorcycles and cars and other cool stuff. So today I have a very special motorcycle which is a superb spec, and it also belongs to a very good friend of mine, and he also has a YouTube channel. So let's go check out which motorcycle we are talking about. Featuring today is this beautiful BMW F850 GS. This is a very unique bike because it's finished in this beautiful shade of red. So you have very few bikes that are finished in this red color, and as I said, this bike belongs to a very special person. His name is Gautam Naidu and he has a YouTube channel called Catch a Mile. This is a bike that is 853cc. It has a liquid cooled 2-cylinder 4-stroke engine which puts out around 94 bhp and around 92 Newton meters of torque. You get the torque at around 6200 rpm. So guys, this is the look of the beautiful BMW engine. So moving up to the fuel tank, you have a 15-liter fuel tank in this bike. And this shade of red really looks good, guys. So first I'll talk about the bike and then come to the accessories of the bike. Let's take a closer look at this beautiful machine. So coming from the front, you have all LED headlamps, and you also get these beautiful LED turn indicators. You have the BMW logo here and the GS badging. So this bike is basically called an adventure tourer. As you can see, this bike is not stock. It has a lot of accessories on it. So it's not just about getting the bike, but you need to know what kind of accessories that you need to put on the bike and how to make it your personal bike and add your personal touch. And I think Gautam has done a fabulous job with this. I'll talk about the accessories slightly later on in the video and also go into the detail of the bike. Coming to the rear part of the bike, you can see that yes, you do get LED turn indicators here as well. You can see the exhaust looks rather good. Now we're going to just discuss the different features the bike has. First of all, it has dual channel ABS. So that means, of course, that both the front and the back have ABS with disc brakes. And the speciality of this particular bike, if you guys can see, is this reservoir. And so basically the thing is, it has electronically adjustable rear suspension. It's called dynamic ESA, and you can actually change the suspension using these controls right here to adjust the ride height and also the load capacity. So when you have the luggage and you have 2 people or 3 people, you can adjust the shock absorbers in the rear. So that's a speciality of this particular bike. It also has a quick shifter and a blipper. So a quick shifter is basically you have the clutch in a regular motorcycle. So a quick shifter enables you to shift gears without pressing the clutch. So you can actually upshift and downshift without pressing the clutch. Generally you only get it for the upshifts, you don't get it for the downshifts. So this bike has it for the downshifts also, and that's generally called a blipper. So that is pretty unique to this bike. And yes, and one more thing I wanted to show you guys is that this bike also has cruise control. so you can set the speed and just let it cruise. So that is also there in this bike. So these are some of the unique features that is there in this bike. Now coming to the accessories that he has on the bike, which are quite a lot. First of all, you have the headlamp protector. This entire thing is the headlamp protector, and guys, the detailing on this bike is superb. Look at that BMW LED detailing on the headlamps. So anyway, you have the headlamp protector, and coming to this side, you have the Baja design auxiliary lamps that he has installed on the bike. These are covers that you can take off. You have this MRA windshield, which you can also adjust the windshield up and down using this. You need both the hands too, I don't want to force it. So this is the special windshield he has. You get these bark busters, they're called the handle protector, what you get. So the bark busters, these are all additional that you have to add to the bike. You don't get it with the bike. Over here, coming to this side on the tank, to mount the tank bag, he's added this particular unit. So this is to mount a bag on top of the tank. Over here you have, this is called a GPS holder, and he has a phone holder attached to this so that he can mount his phone on top of this. On the TFT display, he has a custom BMW Motorrad screen protector installed to protect the screen. Coming to the side profile of the bike, first of all, from the bottom there's a sump guard, and then you have this, which is an engine guard, which is added. Then you have this, which is a tank guard that is again added. And now the main part is coming to the rear of the bike. He has this Jivi rack that he is added with the bottom plate. So why they add this is, first of all, when the bike falls off, you get protection. That is one thing. But the second thing is you get something called as panniers, like boxes that you can fit here and you can fit here as well as on the top. So the top one is called the top box and the side ones are called panniers. So that is why he's added this. First you need to add this and then attach the boxes to that. We've removed it today because the bike becomes very heavy with that and I'll not be able to ride it. So he's added all of that. And additionally, coming in front, he has added this unique USB socket to connect USB devices here. This is also additional. So there might be a few things that I've left out because he's really spec'd this bike very, very well. The cost of all of this is I don't even want to go in. I think it costs more than 1.5 to 2 lakhs just for the accessories, or even more. I'll put the exact costing on the screen right now. So now let's go and explore the features of this bike.